What's up, traders? So just wanted to come on and give a little bit of update on some of my Hydra accounts that you would have been seeing me trade with recently. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon in beautiful sunny South Africa. So I hope you guys, wherever you're tuning in from, yeah, we're just gonna chat some trading, some Hydra funding updates. So before we get into it, you can check Hydra funding out. You can use the code James for a discount of any Hydra funding challenge. And you guys would have seen if you've been watching the channel, whether you're watching this on Twitter, whether you're watching this on YouTube, you would have seen that they're very, very efficient with time from phase 1 to phase 2. I got my login credentials within one minute, and I will only vouch for firms and companies that I actually use myself and that are back. Got the beautiful Houston Rockets, James Harden top on, and yeah, let's get into it. So again, I just want to go over some of you guys know I'm funded with them, and also running another 100K that I literally just started yesterday. Today's obviously Saturday, the 25th. And then yesterday, I did start a 100K account. So let's just go over the challenge at the moment. So I'm funded with 50K and got 100K running at the moment. So let's go over the 100K challenge. I literally just started yesterday. And you can actually see I've only taken one trade on it, and it was a 0.5% winner, literally $400 over here. Okay, so very, very nice trading, conditions as mentioned on Hydra. Very, very easy. I personally use the C Trader platform, right, which we can actually bring up as well. I personally use that C Trader platform. It's just they use GUI trade. It's very, very simple. I can put on my trade copy here and use it to trade there as well. So that's what I do recommend for them. And again, like I only recommend stuff that I use myself. Okay, so for the guys that are watching this, I highly recommend Hydra simply because I use them myself, and I'm building up quite a nice, plan with my fund account at the moment. But this is the live fund account. This is their C Trader platform. Very, very nice. You can see I'm actually up $1,200 on my live account, and I'll tell you what my plan is going to be with this live account. But I use the C Trader platform. Okay, so just to let you guys know, if you are looking to take an account with them. They've got obviously I prefer the 2-step challenge, because the 1 step you got the 6% drawdown, and the two phase you actually have 9% drawdown, and you got to make 8 and 5%. Okay, with a 9% drawdown. So C Trader platform, 2 phase, and they've also got some crypto for the guys that maybe trade crypto. There's some crypto trading as well with them. So okay, so let's get into it. As mentioned, the 100K challenge I've literally just started. I had some nice GCAD longs, you can see over here. I had some GCAD longs and EuroCAD longs to start the challenge. So obviously I won't have an average win to loss ratio. But let's go over my funded account at the moment. This is my Hydra 50K funded account. And I'm up $1,200. So my plan with this funded account, because I want to get funded probably up to about 400,000 with Hydra in the next, by the end of Q1. Okay, but my plan with this funded account is going to be to trade until my balance is at 10K. So I've made 10K worth of profits, and if that happens in 3 months, that's cool. If it happens in 6 months, that's also cool. My plan with them is, because when you take your first payout, the balance locks in at your drawdown locks in at the original starting balance. So for example, if I made 55, if I got the count at 55,000 and I took my $5,000 withdrawal, I would lose the count, because after your first withdrawal, the balance locks in. So if I got to 55,000 and I took $1,000 withdrawal, I'd have $4,000 worth of drawdown. And I want to actually build my buffer. So let me know in the comment section in the chat if that actually makes sense. So my plan with this funded account is to trade it slow and steady and get it to $10,000 worth of profits. Take $5,000 out, and then I'll have $5,000. Then my balance will lock in at 50,000 after my first withdrawal, and I'll still have $5,000 worth to play with. That also I could withdraw at any time if I wanted as well. So that is my plan with this funded account. And obviously, I've got my son going to be born very, very shortly. So my plan is to scale up some more with them after he's born, so I can get back into the swing of things, right? Give myself a little bit of time. But you can see I'm up $1,200. I can take the payout now, but then I'll lose the account of $1,000 or just under $1,000. But yeah, average win-loss ratio 0.86. 4 days is my best streak in a row, and I've only ever had one red day in a row. So last week I made $617, and then the first week of trading the fund account, $614. So I'm not I'm planning to take this account slow and steady. And as mentioned, very, very nice platform on the C Trader account. So you can actually see that I've got a lot more stuff on my watch list simply because I've actually changed kind of to, and this is, you can go listen to the Challenge Accepted podcast, but very much so just trading my best trading setups, break and retest of the previous day's highs. That was simple. And so I don't care if I'm trading an index, I'm trading a currency pair, or I'm trading crypto. I'm just looking to trade what's in front of me. So if you just actually come again here, let's just have a look at my report section. And let's just go to the overview section. Something very, very interesting here. And I think a lot of traders, they, I might also add this in. A lot of traders, they might say, oh, well, James, you're only up $1,000. You got to be grateful because I could have 5 of these accounts and that's $5,000. So just with Hydra, I'm up $1,000 and I'm working on getting some more with them. So I think a lot of the time, we as traders always want more. You make $500, you want to make 1,000. You make 1,000, you want to make 2,000. So just sometimes come from that gratitude place of gratitude and just take it one day at a time. You can actually see my average hold time for my trades is 4 hours and 12 minutes. Let's just actually see. I'm interested to see what my base ticker is on this one. Bitcoin, actually. Bitcoin and then Euro JPY and then the NASDAQ. So slow and steady. I'm going to build this account to a $10,000 buffer account, and then I'm going to take $5,000 out and then look to scale from there. But yeah, I'm in a place where now I'm just looking to trade my base trading setups, keeping things simple. Less is more, guys. Less is more. So that's my account update. That's a little bit of a market update on how I've been trading recently. You can see my watches down the right-hand side there. And yeah, if you want to watch me trade live every single week, ASFX TV is the place to be, Monday through to Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time for the start in the New York session. And then if you want to get an account with Hydra, I've made plenty of videos on my YouTube channel. So go check those ones out. But the efficiency that they send the phase 1 to phase 2 and the phase 2 to funded was obviously immaculate. So go check them out. You can use James for a discount code. And we'll see you for the next live update. And hopefully getting that 10K payout within the next, whenever it happens. I think the worst thing to do as a trader is put time restraints on our trading. So we'll see you for the next one. I appreciate you guys being on. Have a lekker Saturday.